Hey, what's up guys, it's Texamer talking to you here, and today I want to do something different than usual, because today I'm not talking about any Apple products, but I will unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Yes, these AirPods or earphones came with my Galaxy S22 Ultra as a gift from Samsung, so thank you. But in this video I will unbox them, I will try to show you how good they are, I will do my first impressions, and coming from an Apple fanboy, how do they compare, at least as their first impressions, to the AirPods Pro that I've been using for the last 2 years. If you don't know, I've been using the AirPods Pro and I love the AirPods Pro, but I will give you a different view on this Galaxy Buds Pro. I promise you that I will be the fairest as possible. I will not tell that I'm completely unbiased, because I'm not. I'm biased toward Apple because that's my favorite company, but I will try to be the fairest possible when analyzing and try to give you my first impressions on this Galaxy Buds Pro. Of course, later down this week, at least next week, I will have a review of these AirPods, or even I keep calling them AirPods, of these earphones, and I will then compare them against my AirPods Pro in a full-blown scale comparison video. If you are excited for that, don't forget to drop a like down below and subscribe to my channel, because I will have much more content now on, because my exam season is over and I will be able to produce even more videos for you guys. So yes, let's no further ado and let's unbox this Galaxy Buds Pro. But before we do that, don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe to my channel. But before we do that, roll the intro, shall we? So here we are on the unboxing table, and here we have my package. This is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, if I'm not wrong. Let's see how can I take it out without running it. Yes, here we go. There they are. They were already unboxed when I showed you the box, but here they are. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. As you can see, these are the phones that Samsung offered me because I bought the S22 Ultra. So if you are excited for that, don't forget to drop a like down below and to subscribe to my channel. I will unbox also the Samsung S22 Ultra, but no further ado, let's unbox this Galaxy Buds Pro and compare them to my AirPods Pro with first impressions, shall we? So here we are again, and let's start by unboxing this by removing this tape. Do not... Okay, the seal is not broken, so I guess I can accept it. Remove the seal. I mean, you have to cut it. God dang, this shit is made to be destroyed. So sorry for the noises outside. It's a lot of people going around in cars, so a motorcycle now. I can't do anything about that. God damn it. So sorry about that. There were a lot of noises by motorcycles. I can't do anything, but let's continue this unboxing. I broke the seal and I'm trying to get rid of this. God dang it. Well, there's another piece of tape here. Let's remove it. I haven't done an unboxing in a while. My last unboxing was I think it was the MacBook Pro. I have it on my channel, so I'm kind of rusty, but here you go. I think now it will be good. Yep, that's it. So that's the first piece of the box, and now we have how they work, how they sit, the paperwork, everything you are used to. Here we have the charging cable, USB-C of course. So if there's one thing that the AirPods Pro do not that good, is they have Lightning. Please Apple, introduce USB-C, it's much better. But here they are. They have the case, their own little case, quite nice. They remind me of the Beats Pro when I first unboxed them. Let's remove them out of this paper. Try not to ruin anything, because I will have to I will have to return all of those. But wait, whoa, these are small. The box is way smaller than I thought. Wait, let me get my AirPods Pro. Look at it. The difference is quite huge. I mean, the AirPods Pro box is not as tall, but it's much wider, so it makes it feel bigger. So here's a comparison. I mean, these are the Galaxy Buds Pro, these are the AirPods Pro. What do you think? I mean, I do prefer this stem design when compared to this stemless design with Galaxy Buds Pro, but I will try to use them, try to experience the different types of design and different types of brands, how they work, how does transparency mode works here, how does, of course, ANC works, and let's see if I do like this bean design. As you can see, it doesn't have any stem. It's just like a bean, a bean you can eat. It's quite cool. And they have an app, I hope, for iPhone. I will try them today so I can show you. They have wireless charging just like the AirPods Pro. They don't have MagSafe like the AirPods Pro, but they work still very well. They are made or sound made by AKG. Of course, Samsung always does that. But they are pretty cool, pretty small, pretty compact, and they look pretty cool. So this was my unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Before I end this, I know there's a lot of people that will be in my ass because of it. So let's unbox the cables. So here it is. It's a cable like no other, and the tips. So if you want the rubber tips, here they are. You can interchange them and choose which one do you prefer. I will not open them because I will have to return these and it will be an asshole to package all over. So I don't need a USB-C cable also. So here's the USB-C cable for you guys. Put it back on the box because I won't need them. So it's much more easier to unpack than to pack. So these are my AirPods. Sorry, I keep calling them AirPods. So these are my Galaxy Buds Pro. I will do some impressions now, put it on my ear to see if they work well, if they are pretty cool, comfortable to use, and I will show you. But of course, I still do like more this stemless design, although let's see if these ones can convince me, shall we? So here we are, and this will be my first impressions of these Galaxy Beans. This will be my first time trying them out, so let's see how they look. Let me turn around. This is my left, this is my right one, sorry. Weird. See how they look? Do they look good? I mean, I don't like it. The seal is less strong than the AirPods Pro. I can hear more with this seal. It's more uncomfortable to my ear. Oh, I just turned on transparency mode. It's not good. It's very metallic. Well, I gotta tell you already. The transparency mode on the AirPods Pro is so much better. Like, so much better than this. This is like a forced one. It doesn't sound natural. It sounds mechanic. It sounds like a robot. Someone is speaking to my ear. I mean, it sounds like I'm hearing for a microphone. So yeah, it's not as good, near as good as the AirPods Pro. Transparency mode on those headphones, on those AirPods, is like top of the notch. It's way better. If I had to put it on a percentage, it's 100% better. 2 times, 3 times better. It's no comparison. So if you are on the side between these two and you like transparency mode and you use it a lot, the AirPods Pro are the way to go. Those now are at $179 and these ones cost around the same. Only if you pre-order the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we will get those for free. But those are way better than these in terms of transparency mode. Let me try out the ANC and tell you how they look, how they fit, and of course, if it works very well. Let me just try to... How did I do the first time? Oh, okay, turn them on. I mean, I can hear my voice, but it works pretty well. I think in terms of ANC, it's not as bad as the AirPods Pro. Actually, it's very good in terms of ANC. So if you like ANC, it works pretty well. I don't try with any noise, but I have cars going around you. So sometimes you can hear them. Sometimes I have motorcycles, and I can tell you this is a very good ANC. When compared to the AirPods Pro that I have here, in terms of ANC, the AirPods Pro are a little bit worse. They feel more natural in every single way. Like, they feel more natural than they are in your ear. The transparency mode is way better. It's way more natural. It doesn't sound like you are hearing for a microphone. But the ANC, it needs some improvement from Apple. I think that this ANC from the Galaxy Buds is actually very good, and I can hear less of my voice when I'm using the Galaxy Buds when compared to the AirPods Pro. So in terms of ANC, if that's one thing that you only prioritize is ANC, then these Galaxy Buds Pro are very good with ANC. I expect them to be on par with the AirPods Pro, but now that I've tried them out, they are very good for the price when compared to these ones. I mean, if you do prefer the ANC and you have Samsung phones, I totally recommend the Galaxy Buds Pro. They are very good. The ANC is actually very good. So here's how they look in my ears when I'm using them. You can see they have this bean shape like thing, so they work pretty well with that. This is the other side, and let me show you now how they look with the AirPods Pro. This is how I look with the AirPods Pro. Let me know what you think. I think they are very cool. They have this stem-like design. By the way, after putting them, these ones, after those ones, the seal without anything, because they are turned off right now, the seal is way better than the Samsung ones, these ones, because the Galaxy Buds Pro, I think the seal is not as good. But the transparency mode on these ones is the best thing ever. Of course, if you are talking about the ANC, like I was telling you, these two are very similar in terms of ANC. I think that the Apple ANC sounds way more natural than this one, but this one is stronger. So, I mean, choose what you prefer. Transparency mode, there's no comparison between these two between these two between these two earphones, because the transparency mode on this is very good, and B, because these ones are not that good, they sound very metallic. So if you like transparency mode, go for the AirPods Pro. If you don't care about transparency mode, or you don't use it, you just care about ANC and you have an Android phone or a Samsung phone, go for the Samsung Sound by AKG Galaxy Buds Pro. They are good, they are very cool, they are in this small box, but I will do a more comparison and in-depth video when I do release the review of these earphones, because I will compare them to these AirPods Pro that I have right now. So let me take them off, and I mean, they are very good. I don't want to do a sound test right now, but I guess I don't want to configure these AirPods or these Galaxy Buds Pro with my iPhone, because then I have to stop the video and then I have to do all that. But this was only my first impressions of the hardware, and of course my first impressions of the unboxing. The unboxing experience was pretty similar to the AirPods actually, but I mean, it is what it is. Let's see. Tomorrow the S22 Ultra will come and I will unbox it for you guys. It will be my first time unboxing a Samsung phone. I mean, not the first time. I had the Galaxy Geo, but I didn't unbox those. It will be my first time unboxing a 2021 or 2022 Android flagship. So yeah, I'm very excited for that, and I'm very excited to switch to Android for 2 weeks. Yes, this guy, an Apple fanboy, an Apple cheap, is switching to an S22 Ultra for 2 weeks to see how it goes. So if you are excited for that, don't forget to drop a like down below and to subscribe to my channel, and to go and accompany myself with this journey using an Android phone. And also, if you want live updates and everyday updates on this S22 Ultra experience, don't forget to follow my Twitter account. I will post every single day there an update how it's going about the S22 Ultra experience and this Galaxy Buds Pro. So I know if you are a Samsung Knight, if you are a Samsung fanboy, you will enjoy watching this Apple chip going through this change. This is only 2 weeks. I won't keep the S22 Ultra and I won't keep these earphones. I don't have the money for that. I just bought them to review. But of course, I think that it will be pretty cool to use a different type of experience different things, try them out, and then I can say the iPhone is better and the Android is better. So this was my video for the Galaxy Buds. This was a pretty long video for the first impressions, but this is my first impressions of Galaxy Buds, my unboxing, and leave on the comments down below what are your thoughts on these earphones. Have you tried them out? Do you have one? Don't you have one? Will you buy one? And did you get one when you pre-order your Galaxy S22 Ultra, or what were the offers in your country? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Of course, follow my social networks, Twitter and Instagram. This was Texumer talking to you here. Bye.